here's the finished piece a little bit with the graphic texture, and again just kind of going over the displays of the different logos and their different applications in sections of logos changing on the cap and everything of that nature. The layer on the top you can use as the graphic layer, so the first thing is to set a circle that you can maybe put a ruler guide for the vertical and horizontal, and then that circle just kind of using the eyedrop tool with the shift key held down to collect the red, and then swapping it so it's just a stroke and not a fill, and then creating a outset path. You can outline that stroke, and then a rectangle shape for the top piece, and then using the pen tool to get the curve of that arch, and you can try to drop it down and see if it's the exact same match. It's close, needs a little adjusting with the direct selection tool, but you could get away with keeping it. It's going to be the similar process to it, and just using the handles to adjust the curvature of that bottom piece. And once you get it where you like it, take the pen tool and just connect and make this rectangular shape. Select all of them with the shape builder, and here I might even keep this ring rather than delete it. Just connect them all together so it has the ring around it, the separate pieces inside, and then just go back through with the eyedrop and the shift key to select the shape, change it, click on the color. Even the white I would select, and then it's going to have an outline. You can take that off later, but just to separate the parts so you can see them all and put them back together. And then for the text, it's just used Helvetica with a bold. When you click on the type, you can double click to select the text, change the font, and go through all the different palettes that are listed here to help you place those images in there. And then I just outline the text so I can stretch it and still see through it. It's not exact, but it'll be fine for this part. And then just changing it to the same blue, and selecting all of these. I'm just going to do one at a time here just to show it to you, and take off the stroke. So it does have the white outline to it. And then from here, just take a copy of it and switch over into Photoshop. Here's what it looks like. Paste it in there. You can do this time as a smart object if you'd like to try that, so you can go back and edit it if you need to. Put some bevel and emboss, changing a little bit of the shading on that shadow line there. Texture is just kind of a combination there, and then I'll give you that finished selection to it.